Do you have a dream of starting your own business but feel overwhelmed by where to start? What if I told you that in just a few simple steps, you could launch a business that is not only successful, but also fulfilling? Stick around to discover the secrets to turning your idea into a thriving business that lasts. Hi there, future entrepreneurs. Welcome to today's video on how to start a successful business. If you're thinking about launching your own venture, but you're not sure where to begin, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through some of the most important steps to help you build a solid foundation and set yourself up for long-term success. We'll cover everything from turning your idea into a plan, to managing your finances, and even how to handle the challenges that come your way. This will be a step-by-step guide, so you can take action today. 1. Find a business idea that matches your passion and market demand. Alright, let's start with the first step, finding the right business idea. You want to build something that not only excites you, but also solves a problem or meets a need in the market. This is crucial. Think about what you're passionate about. Maybe it's baking, fitness, fashion, or tech. Whatever it is, ask yourself, is there a demand for this? Do your friends and family need your product or service? Is there a gap in the market? Research is key here. Look at trends, consumer behavior, and even read reviews to find out what people are really looking for. Pro tip: validate your idea by talking to potential customers before committing to it fully. Ask questions, run a survey, or test it out on a small scale. Step 2. Make a business plan that sets you up for success. Now that you have your idea, it's time to create a business plan. This is your roadmap for the next few years, and it's vital. Your plan should outline your goals, target audience, marketing strategy, and financial forecasts. A good business plan helps you stay focused, make smarter decisions, and gives potential investors a clear view of your vision. Don't worry, it doesn't need to be super fancy. Just keep it clear and actionable. Here's a basic outline for your business plan. Executive summary: a brief description of your business and your mission. Market research: who are your competitors and what's your unique selling point? Marketing strategy: how will you attract customers? Think social media, ads, partnerships. Financial plan: budget, pricing strategy, and cash flow forecast. Step 3. Get the right legal setup and finances in order. Before you start spending money, it's essential to make sure you're set up legally and financially. Legal setup: depending on where you live, you may need to register your business, get a business license, or even apply for permits. This can be a little complicated, but it's worth it to avoid legal issues down the line. 4. Build a strong online presence in today's digital world. You absolutely need an online presence. Start with a website, even if it's simple at first. This is where people will go to learn more about your business and buy your products or services. If you're not sure how to build one, there are plenty of easy website builders available. Then, create social media profiles for your business. Whether it's Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, these platforms help you build an audience and engage with customers in real time. Posting regularly, running ads, and collaborating with influencers can skyrocket your visibility. Step 5. Focus on customer service and growth. Your first customers are everything. Treat them like gold. Happy customers are more likely to return and recommend your business to others. Always listen to feedback, answer inquiries promptly, and go the extra mile to make them feel valued. Growth tip: consistently evaluate how your business is performing. Are you meeting your sales goals? Are there new products or services you can introduce? Don't be afraid to adjust and adapt as you go. Step 6. Stay consistent and be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your business. Consistency is key. Stick to your plan, keep learning, and don't get discouraged when things don't happen overnight. Remember, the most successful businesses didn't become successful because they were lucky. They became successful because they kept pushing through setbacks and kept improving. Starting a successful business is not easy, but it's definitely possible if you break it down into manageable steps. Keep your passion alive, plan wisely, stay consistent, and be patient. Your success will follow. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss more tips on growing your business. And hey, if you're already on your entrepreneurial journey, drop a comment below and let me know what business you're working on. I love to hear from you.